This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks, and today we are making a very simple soup called the ABC soup.
My Busy Daddy Cooks.
We are using a bunch of vegetables here, but you can vary it according to your liking. We will use 2 pieces of chicken, 2 tomatoes, 2 carrots, 2 potatoes, and 1 large onion. Peel and cut the vegetables into large pieces. Put all the ingredients into a pot. Fill with water until 2 inches above the top of all the ingredients. Bring the pot to a boil and lower it to a simmer for about 45 minutes to an hour. Skim off the foam from the top. And if you are like me, not having much time to cook, just boil it for about 15 minutes, put it in a thermal pot, and go off to work. The soup will be ready when you come home. Super delicious and nutritious ABC soup. Thanks for watching Busy Daddy Cooks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.
Please subscribe to my daddy's channel.